Hello everyone. Today I am going to give a presentation on industrial robotics theory, evolution and application. Introduction to industrial robotics. A robot is an automatically operated machine that replaces human effort and perform tasks automatically. Designed to operate continuously 24 by 7, industrial robots are computer programmable and execute repetitive or complex tasks with high precision. Factory automation. Robot coordinate with PLCs and MES system to maintain continuous production. AI and control. Advanced control algorithm and vision system enable adaptive precise operation. Future of industrial robot. Then advantage of industrial robot: faster production, consistent quality, reduce human error, improve workplace safety, computer programmable, fixed control via TACO, parent, PLC, ROS based system, high precision and repeatability, to uh, millimeter tolerance for precision manufacturing, continuous operations like 24 by 7 duty cycle, multi-axis movement, then trajectory and orientation control. Tasks performed by industrial robots. Industrial robots are mainly used for tasks that are now as the few days. These include dirty tasks such as cleaning hazardous environment, dull tasks which involve repetitive work, dangerous tasks where human safety is at risk, difficult tasks such as lifting heavy materials, and finally, dear tasks where extremely high precision is required to avoid costly mistakes. This capability makes robot an essential part of modern industries. Evolution of industrial robot. The history of industrial robot began in 1954 when George Devol invented the world's first industrial robot called Unimate. In 1956, Unimations Inc. was established to commercialize the technology. The first prototype was introduced at General Motors in 1959, and by 1961 the world's first robotic production line was successfully installed. This marked the beginning of industrial automation. FANUC M 2000 IA robot. One of the largest industrial robots is the FANUC M 2000 IA. It can lift up to 2300 kg, has a reach of approximately 3.7 meters, and of offers an impressive repeatability of 0.18 mm. This robot is commonly used for handling extremely heavy material in large manufacturing industries where precision and strength are important. Manufacturing applications. Industry robots are widely used in manufacturing process. Some common applications include arc welding, spot welding, glue dispensing, assembling operation, dashboard installations, and glass fitting in the automobile manufacturing. These robots improve production speed, ensure consistent quality, and reduce human error. Surface processing application. Industrial robots also perform various surface finishing operations. These include grading, polishing, deburring, buffing, laser cutting, and painting. Robots equipped with different tools can perform these tasks with excellent precision and maintain uniform quality across heavy product. Material handling and manufacturing. Another important application of industrial robot is material handling. They are used for pick and place operations, palletizing, packaging, PCB assembly, and machine tending. These applications help industrial robots reduce manual labor, increase efficiency, and maintain continuous production. Advanced applications. Today, industrial robots are not limited to features. They are also used in medical surgery, hair transplantation, agriculture, space explorations, underwater research, defense, movie productions, and even entertainment rides like the Robocoaster. These applications, these advanced applications demonstrate how robotic technology is transforming many different industries. To conclude, industrial robots have become an essential part of modern industries. They improve productivity, increase accuracy, reduce workplace hazards, and ensure high quality production. As the technology continues to advance, industrial robots will play an even more important role in the future of some manufacturing and industry 4.0. Thank you.